Good morning, children. Today I am going to start activity sheet 10. This activity sheet 10 is based on lesson 5.3 Horatius at the Bridge and poem 5.4 My Native Land. So now I'm going to start this activity. You have to take out your activity book and activity sheet 10. Now I'm going to read it. Listen carefully. Read these lines. Breathes there the man with soul so dead, who never to himself had said, This is my own, my native land, whose heart hath never within him burnt, as home his footstep he had turned, from wandering on a virgin strand. Now choose a suitable option to answer each question. As we have studied the poem earlier, so you have to choose the correct option. Anyone returning home from a virgin land has a dead soul in a living body, a soul full of love for the motherland. Second, B you have to tick, okay? This one, a soul full of love for the motherland. Now, second, one who has no feeling of love for one's country. Option is as good as dead or has a burning heart. Is as good as dead, according to the poem. Now, third one, after wandering in a foreign country, one turns back home with a sad heart, one runs back home with a happy heart. What you have to take? B. One runs back home with a happy heart. Now, fourth one, the fourth line in the passage rhyme with. Now, see the fourth line. See, one, two, three, four. Whose heart hath never within burned. With rhyming with what? Turn. Okay. Now you have to fill it. Rhyming with the fifth line or sixth line. They are asking this line. Whose heart hath never within him burned. With rhyming with fifth line or sixth line. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is fifth line. Burned, turned. This is rhyming with together. So here you have to tick it. Fifth line. Okay. Now the fifth one, the word strand in the last line means the land and people of another country, land along the edge of a sea, oceans, river, etc. Here, land along with edge of a sea. Okay. Now come to next exercise. Rewrite each sentence, changing the tenses as directed. Means you have to change the sentence according to the tense given. Here I have written rules of different tenses. Okay. So your first sentence is, they drove him out of Rome. Now you have to change it with present perfect tense. So what is the rule of present perfect? Has or have. Means either you choose has or have plus third form of verb. Means in the perfect tense, remember this, all the perfect tense we are using third form of verb. Okay. So present perfect means has. For he, she, it we are using has. I, we and you we are using have. Now they is given. So they is what? They is what? They is plural. So with plural we are using have. Okay. So they drove him out of Rome. Your answer is they have driven. Driven. Driven is what? Driven is the third form of verb drove. Okay. They have driven him out of Rome. This is your answer. Now see the second one. He did not treat his people fairly. Now you have to do it in present simple. In present simple, first form of verb, then S or ES. Now he did not treat his people fairly. He doesn't treat his people fairly. He doesn't treat his people fairly. Now third, we shall not let you cross the bridge. Now you have to change it in past simple. So we shall not. Shall is what? Shall is showing the future tense. So we have to convert into past tense. We did not let you cross the bridge. Okay, we did not let you cross the bridge. Now, there was no bridge across the river. You have to change it in present perfect. Again, has or have plus third form of verb. There was no bridge across the river. There has been. Bridge is what? Third thing, that is, there has been no bridge across the river. Now, fifth, the enemy troops are approaching the bridge. The enemy troops will have approached the bridge. Will have. Why we are using will have? Because it is future perfect. Future perfect, will have plus verb third form. So we are using will have approached. Approaching is given. So approached is third form of verb. Now 6. Horatius turned back and jumped into the river. Present simple. Now first form of verb, then SOES. Horatius turns. So in turn we are using STURNS. Turns. Horatius turns back and jumps into the river. Means both the place. In turns and jumped we are using S. ED will not come in both the places. Horatius turns back and jumps into the river. Now third exercise. Write questions to which the underlined word are the answer. Means you have to make questions. The word is underlined, means you have to make question of it. I need your help. So your question is what? What do you need? Now second, they killed scores of Tuscans. Now your question, how many Tuscans were killed by them? How many Tuscans were killed by them? Now question mark. Now third, Horatius jumped into the river. Where did Horatius jump? Or you can say two questions you can make. Where did Horatius jump? Or what did Horatius do? Now fourth, Horatius saved Rome and its people. So your question is, who saved Rome and its people? Question mark. Now fifth, we shall fight you to our last breath. How long will you fight? How long will you fight? Question mark. Now fourth, there is one mistake in each line of the passage given below. Underline the mistake and write it correctly on the given given space. Now, you have to find out the mistakes over there. Soon the bridge were. One bridge was there, so were will not come. What will come? Was. Okay. Now in second line, was about. At fall is given. About to fall. The Romans shouted to Horatius for run back. Again, for is wrong. What will come? Again, to will come. TO2. Horatius to run back. Now, but Horatius do not leave. Do not is given. What will come? Did. Did not leave. Okay. But Horatius did not leave his post. Though him was. Here the spelling is him. Him will not come. Though he was injured, he kept on fight. So spelling is not spelling. Fight is wrong. What will come? Fighting. Though he was injured, he kept on fighting. 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 Okay. Now to him his country owner. Here The country, what will come? How to write country? Country's honor. Y. Here after Y apostrophe S will come. Okay. Here I am going to write COUNTRY, then apostrophe S. Country's honor and security was far. Most is given. So spelling here most is wrong. What will come? More will come. More important than his own life is given. Life is wrong. What will come? Own life. Okay. Now fifth, complete each sentence with suitable phrases from the box. Here one box is given. You can see in your book and video also. First is cross the bridge, safely swam back to Rome, the bank of the river Tiber, never to be ruled by a king again, to prevent their entry into the city, dies unwept, unhonored and unsung. So here 6 sentences are given. You have to complete this. Okay, this is your homework. I'm sure you can do it yourself. First I'll tell you. Okay, this is your homework. Rome lies on. What you will choose from this? The bank of the river Tiber. This one is first. Okay. Then for second sentence, what you will choose? We shall not let you. Here. What will come? Cross the bridge. Okay. 2. Rest you have to try to do yourself. Now 6. Say each word. Find the word in the box that rhyme with it and write the word on the line. Very easy. Only first one I'll tell you, rest you can do yourself. Very easy. Here the box is given. Isn't it? All the boxes are given. Cone, coat, row, road, hope, pole. So you have to write the similar sound word. Rhyming is what? That sounds similar. Load, that is matched with what? Load, road. Okay? Load, in front of this you can write road. Then boat, coat. Okay? Hoe, row. Then bone, cone. Soap, hope. Hole, pole. Okay? In this way only you have to write. Just to speak some words and match it. What sound is similar with that? Like in second one you can see wait. What will come in this box? Wait, late. Isn't it? Now day, way. Sail, pale. Cake, lake. Paid, made. Wave, save. I hope you understood. Rest 2 you can do yourself. 3 and 4. Now come to next. Circle the word that has a long vowel sound. Underline the word that has a short vowel sound. Then choose the correct word for each blank. Here they are saying underline the word that has a short vowel sound. Short vowel sound you have to underline. Means both the word having vowel. But in which short vowel sound you have to underline that vowel. And after that you can fill whatever you want to fill in this box. That is suitable for the sentence. Now see. Pet, Peter. Which word having short vowel? Pet. Okay. You just have to underline this pet. Short vowel. Remember this for short vowel I am saying. Now seal, cell. Seal, E sound is coming. So it is long. Cell, short vowel. Set, seat. Seat, that is long vowel. Set, short vowel. Read, read. Read, E sound is coming loudly. Long E is coming. Read. Red is short vowel. Meet, met. Which word is short? Met. So this is short vowel. Okay. So here what you have to fill here. Dash likes to visit the zoo. Who like to visit? Pet or Peter? So Peter will come. Peter. He thinks a dash is a funny animal. Seal or cell? Seal. SEAL. I got a good dash to watch the play. I got a good seat. SEAT seat. Okay. You should dash only good books. You should read. We meet every morning in the park. Means whatever left over there, this that you have to fill in the blanks. Now say the name of each picture. You have to say the name of each picture. Then color the animal whose names contain the long vowel sound shown in the box. Means first you have to circle and then you have to color it. Okay, it's your choice whether you want to color it or not. So you can color it with pencil color and don't use a sketch pen. Okay. Long A sound. What you have to choose? Say the name of each picture. Color the animal whose name contain long vowel sound. All the vowel are given. Long A, long I, long U, long O, long E. Okay. So here A vowel is given in all the animal's name. But which name is having long A sound? Now speak. J, snail, cat, whale. So which snail having long A sound and whale having long A sound? Isn't it? Snail, whale. Now see 2. I sound you have to find. Which animal names having I, long I sound? Tiger, mice, kitten, pig. So tiger and mice. Tiger and mice having long I sound. Kitten, pig having short vowel sound. Now long U, skunk, mole, duck, puppy. Here only one animal, mule. Okay, that is having only one long U sound. Long O sound, fox, goat, doe, ox. So here which animal having long O sound? Goat, doe. Okay, long E sound, seal, hen, bee, eagle. So here seal and bee having long E sound. You have to circle it and you can color it. Now come to next, passive voice. Now children, passive voice. The passive voice is very important in English. Probably 90% of the passive sentences are those having an unknown or vague subject which remains unexpressed in the passive voice. The agent with by is not needed in such cases. Here generally we are saying that in passive voice we are using this word by. Okay, this word is showing by, but here they are saying in some cases this by is not needed in some cases. For example, someone has stolen my book. So you can change it in passive. How? My books have been stolen. No need to put by. My books have been stolen by someone. No need to put this. Okay, my books have been stolen. Okay, that much is enough. Now see, the verb in passive voice is always an appropriate tense form of be. Is, am, are, were, been, being, followed by a past participle. Means always, one thing always remember this. I told you earlier also. Whenever you are making passive voice in all the forms, present simple, past simple, future simple. Always you can see in your book also third form of verb. Always come third form of verb. Isn't it? See, third form of verb we are using. Whatever it is. Has been, then third form, was, were, being, third form, I am, are, being, third form, we, shall, should, etc. Whatever it is, then third form. Always we are using third form. So you have to read it first. All the 8 rules you have to read it first. At least twice you have to read it. Here once I am going to read it. Present simple. What will come? Is, am, are plus third form of verb. Past simple, was, were plus third form. Future simple, infinitives, will, shall plus will, shall, should, etc. Then what will come? Be, be, then verb third form. In present continuous, is, am, are. Then what will come? Is, am, are plus being, being, being. Verb third form. Was, were plus being third form. Now see, present perfect. Have been, has been, verb third form. Past perfect had been, third form. Future perfect will, shall, have been, future then third form of verb. So you have to read it twice at least, then you will understand. Now how to use it we will see. Good work. Now, first we have to read the question. The following sentences are in the passive voice. Complete them in the tenses suggested. We have to complete it. Means words also we have to fill according to the tenses given in the bracket. Good work. Is always admired. Present simple, what you have to put? Is. First you have to put is, then always. Admire is given. So what will come? Third form of a verb we have to use admired. Red will come in this. Admired is admired. Second, this matter, future tense. This matter will be discussed. Discussed. Will be discussed. Now third, the bridge, past simple you have to choose. The bridge was built. Built. He was punished for his dishonesty. Punished. His leg has been hurt this morning. Not this morning. His leg has been hurt in an accident. Now, the cow dashed this morning. Past simple. The cow was not fed this morning. One cow is there, that's why was is using. Okay, was not fed. F-E-D, fed. The third form of feed is what? Fed. You dash to lunch tomorrow. Present perfect. You have been invited to lunch tomorrow. 2 of my dinner plates. Present perfect. You have to change it. 2 of my dinner plates have been broken. Because 2 are there, that's why have we are using. If there was 1 plate, then we are using has been. My dinner plate has been broken. But 2 plates are there, so what we are saying? 2 of my dinner plates have been broken. Now in English dash all over the world. Present simple. English is spoken all over the world. Now display dash in the town hall. Future simple. Display will be staged. S-T-A-G-E-D. Now, a big bottle dash here 200 years ago. A big battle dash here 200 years ago, past simple. Now a big battle was fought. The third form of fight is what? Fought. Fought there 200 years ago. Now 12th, the box dash for the last 10 years has not been opened. The box has not been opened. Now 13, this exercise should dash very carefully. You have to do it infinitives. Means this exercise should be done. Should be done. B will come. B-E-B. Now answers must dash on one side of the paper only. Again infinitive you have to use. B you have to use. Answers must be written on one side of the paper only. Now come to next. Read the passage and underline the words that have more than one syllable. The circle all the syllable in the passage having the long vowel sound. First you have to read the passage. Okay. Then you have to circle in the passage that having long vowel sound. See, I am going to read it. Jet travel. Do you want to take a trip on a jet plane? First, you decide what place you want to go to. Then you buy a ticket from the airline. On the day you are to leave, you pack your suitcase and go to the airport. You check your baggage at the ticket counter. It will be put in the cargo hold on the plane. Then you go to the correct gate to board your plane. When you get on board the plane, find your seat and buckle the seat belt. Listen carefully as the flight attendant gives safety information. At last, the plane will take off and carry you to your destination. Have a good trip. Okay, this was the paragraph. And now what you have to do, you have to choose long vowel sound. Different words are having different syllable are there. Now you have to choose. In first line, do you want to take a trip on a jet plane? A sound, long A sound. First you decide what place you want to go, then you buy a ticket from the airline. Line, I sound, long I sound. On the day you are to leave, long E sound. You pack your suitcase, case, A, long A sound. Then airport, long O sound. Baggage, long A sound. Then counter, long U sound. Cargo, long O sound. Then boat, long A O sound. Isn't it? Now in second para, seat. Then buckle. Then care. Carefully is given, but care is only having the vowel. Carefully is U is very short vowel. Care, A sound is there in care. Then flight, I sound. Then safety, A sound. Information. Okay. Then take, carry. Then destination. These are the words that are having long vowel sound. Now this is finished. After this, what you have to do? That you have to do yourself. Number the sentences in order. According to this paragraph, you understood what you have to do when you want to go by jet plane. Then what you will do, you have to arrange it in order. What you will do first? Go to the airport, check in your suitcase, go to the boarding gate, enjoy your trip. What will do first? First is what? Go to the airport. That is first. Then second, what you will do? Check in your suitcase. Number 2. In that way, you have to arrange your numbers. Okay. This is your homework. Now your activity is finished here. I'm going to end this video. Thank you.